Welcome to the Content Club podcast, where we fuse your personal touch and AI to generate micro content that delivers value in a compact, powerful package. Today's question comes from Jason. Jason is curious, what's the best tool to do video with AI? Let's jump right in. Jason, there are a few ways you could go with this. Vidyo and Opus are great for grabbing quick snippets of longer videos. Something like Pictorian and Vidyo are better for creating straight up B-roll videos. And Kaiber, Runway, and HeyGen are great for more wild fun, fully AI-ified content. We'll list all of these on our tools list at molly.live/tools. This brings us to the end of today's episode. Be sure to grab a free trial of our AI Content Club if you'd like to dig deeper.
Hey, it's Human Molly. This whole podcast was created with AI. I know you probably can tell at some points, but what's really cool is that we have seasoned our AI assistant with all of our data, all of our knowledge base. So we're bringing you answers that are totally on point. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next episode. If you want to connect as humans, make sure that you hang out with us on social. So go to molly.live and you'll see all of the places that you can hang out with us on your favorite social media platform, or come to my favorite social platform. Find me, Molly Mahoney, on the Book of Faces. That's Facebook. That's right. I'm an old lady who loves Facebook. Bye.